How to remove a person from any photo using Snapseed. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Snapseed application. If you don't have one, install it from Google Play Store. After you install it, you have to open up the application, then you will land on this interface. Now you have to add a photo. For that, tap on this plus icon. Now from your gallery, select the photo. Here I have this picture right here. Now from this interface, navigate to this menu bar. At the bottom, there is a tool option, tap on it. A menu box will pop up. From here, scroll down and then choose the option that says double exposure. Now you have to add the same picture. For that, tap on this add picture icon. Now again, you have to add same picture. Once you add it, with the help of your fingertip, tap on your screen and you have to move this picture to your left or to your right, just near to that picture or just near to this person here. Once it's on, now tap on opacity. Now you have to increase this opacity. After increase the opacity to the full, now tap on this tick mark. Now from this interface, again navigate to top right corner and there you will have this icon in front of this eye icon that says Revert, tap on it. Now from here, in this drop down box, tap on view details. Now in your right hand side, there is a small box which says double exposure and original. So tap on this arrow icon in this double exposure. Now you will have more option. From there, tap on this brush icon at the middle. You get to this interface. Now with the help of your fingertip, you have to brush this person. After you have done with that, now tap on tick mark. And there you can see the picture or the person is now removed. Now if you have small details right there, you can clear that with the help of healing menu. For that, tap on this back icon and then tap on tools and then tap on healing. Now with the help of this healing, you can remove this shoes right here. Once it's on, you can simply export this picture by tapping on this tick mark and then export it to your gallery. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.